The defense doctrine of Pakistan is predicated on credible deterrence and perpetual readiness, encompassing the full spectrum of capabilities. As a professional standing army, our conventional prowess through constant doctrinal and technological evolution has been optimized into a dynamic, integrated, and adaptive force. You should all understand the need for intellectual readiness and technological advancements, embrace innovation, lifelong learning, and adaptability to meet modern threats. The battle-hardened army, which has fought for over 2 decades in the sub-conventional domain, has successfully displayed its capabilities in conventional domain as well by delivering a swift and decisive blow to the adversary. Should a fresh wave of hostilities be triggered, Pakistan would respond much beyond the expectations of the initiators. With diminishing distinction between combat and communication zones, the reach and lethality of our weapon systems will shatter the misconceived immunity of India's geographic vastness. The deeply hurting retributive military and economic losses inflicted will be much beyond the imagination and calculations of the perpetrators of chaos and instability. I advise and firmly caution the Indian military leadership that there is no space for war in a nuclearized environment. Settle the core issues with Pakistan as per the international norms on the basis of equality and mutual respect. We will never be intimidated nor coerced by your rhetoric and shall respond decisively beyond proportions to even a minor provocation without any qualms. The onus of ensuing escalation, one that may ultimately bear catastrophic consequences for the entire region and beyond, will squarely lie with India. Dear cadets, ladies and gentlemen, the world is witnessing increased fragility and volatility with a discernible shift towards violence as an instrument for attaining political objectives. Amidst the chaos, Pakistan has successfully emerged as a net regional stabilizer in our region. Our relations with key global and regional powers, particularly Muslim countries, have further strengthened. Pakistan has persistently proven to be a key contributor towards peace and stability in the region and beyond. Our armed forces contribute immensely to United Nations peacekeeping missions across the globe. The recent strategic mutual defense agreement with Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a reinforcement and formalization of Pakistan-Saudi brotherhood and a step towards ensuring peace and stability in the Middle East and South Asia. For people and armed forces of Pakistan, it's a moment of unique pride to reaffirm our faithful commitment to defense of Haramain Sharifain, as eternalized by the sublime words of Allama Iqbal, एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए नील के साहिल से लेकर ताबखा के काशगर. Pakistan has also made humble contributions towards peaceful steering of the negotiations with Iran. Our relations with all other Muslim countries are thriving at an exponential pace. Most significantly, we stand proud of our historic and all-weather strategic cooperative partnership with People's Republic of China. Re-energization of strong and growing relations with the United States of America is an encouraging and welcome development. President Trump's personal efforts and strategic leadership to bring peace to multiple conflict-prone areas of the world are really praiseworthy. We will further nurture these relations with key global and regional players for the interest of peace, security, and development. Ladies and gentlemen, having failed in its belligerence against Pakistan in Operation Marka-e-Haq, India continues with state-sponsored terrorism as a preferred policy. Our adversaries' use of Fitna al-Hind and Fitna al-Khawarij as hired guns exposes its cowering, hypocritical, and heinous face to the world. Equally disconcerting is the use of Afghan soil for terrorism in Pakistan. We urge the people of Afghanistan to choose mutual security over perpetual violence and progress over hardline obscurantism. Taliban regime must rein in the proxies who have sanctuaries in Afghanistan and are using Afghan soil to perpetrate heinous attacks inside Pakistan. The law enforcement agencies and the armed forces, with the support of the brave people of Pakistan, particularly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan, will surely defeat this menace as well. Be rest assured that, like our victory in the conventional domain, every state proxy of our neighbor will be razed to dust, inshallah.
YouTube पर Googly न्यूज देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly न्यूज टीवी टाइप करें। Googly न्यूज के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पेज पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।